Okay, so I'll go over a few supplements that you can use to support your child's gut function and healing. So these include the amino acid glutamine. You can just buy it in powder. Give your child a few grams once or twice a day. Usually on an empty stomach is probably best, or you can mix it with some juice or some water. Probiotics, most of them you would take in the morning or in the evening on an empty stomach. Omega-3 fatty acids, things like fish oil, cod liver oil, this kind of thing. Digestive enzymes, they help to break down the food more fully so your child can digest their food better. Bovine colostrum in some cases, which is the first milk from cows. So if you can get grass-fed organic colostrum, if you are restricting casein and dairy products from your child's diet, you can try this. Also zinc or zinc carnosine, that really helps for gut function, also many other things. Another amino acid like compound called taurine, so you can get that in powder form as well from kind of supplement websites. In some cases you might want to try aloe vera, that's good for the gut as well, so aloe vera juice. Glycine, another amino acid, you can mix that into food, drinks. It can help with gut health. Collagen protein, that's another thing that can help with the gut health. It has glycine as well. And then there's another thing called DGL, which it stands for deglycyrrhizinated licorice. So they take out this part of licorice and it's kind of like this tasty lozenge that you can chew, and that's also good for the gut. It soothes the gut. And if you buy or make your own bone broth, that's also a great source of collagen, glycine. That's another thing you can use to support your child's gut health. So that's a quick little overview of some supplements that you can use for your child's to support your child's gut function and healing. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you on the next episode.